In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install zebra blinds. Firstly, before purchasing or installing, measure the width and height of the inside of the window frame and measure the desired width and height, ensuring the blinds extend beyond the window frame for maximum light blocking coverage. Use a pencil, mark brackets locations within the top of the window, then mark the spots above the window frame where the brackets will be installed. Use a drill to screw brackets into the marked spot and ensure the brackets are secure and level to prevent uneven blinds. Double check that the screws are tightly fastened. Snap the zebra roller shade into the brackets, ensure it clicks securely into place. If installing motorized zebra blinds, follow the manufacturer's setup instructions for remote operation. Pull the chain or adjust the cordless mechanism to test the movement and rotate the fabric to switch between sheer and opaque strips for different levels of light control. Ensure everything is secure and aligned, clean up any debris from drilling, and enjoy your new stylish and functional zebra blinds. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.